Dear students, now we will learn how to explore libraries of our computer and how to create a new library and rename it. So, बच्चों, now because I have Windows 8 in my laptop, so I am using my computer icon to do the same. But if you have Windows 7, then you have to just open Windows Explorer. Okay, I am clicking here at my computer icon and see, this my computer window has two parts, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane is visible here. You can see here the all the names of the libraries or folders or subfolders contained in the libraries or disk drives also. So they on the left pane contains the libraries or folder icons or links, and the right pane displays the selected folder which we have selected in the left pane. That particular selected folders and subfolders will be displayed on the right side. For example, you can see here library is a particular folder is there. You can see a black color up facing triangle is displayed here. It means that now the libraries is expanded. All the contents inside these libraries folder are displayed here. But when I click on this black up facing triangle, this will shift to a right facing triangle in of white color. It means that now it is collapsed because all the contents of these libraries are now hidden. I am now expanding it. Now it will again changes to the black color. Now if we want to see the pictures, so I am double clicking here the pictures. Now the see pictures is a folder of the libraries. Now when I double click at this picture on the right side, the contents of these pictures will be displayed here, and these are the thumbnails of the pictures. Okay, now how can we create a library? To create a new library, we have to just right click on the libraries icon and just move to new and then choose library. Left click here at the library, so a new library will displayed here. So now you can uh, type any name for your new library. For example, I am writing here my name. I'm writing here my name. So now see my the library is created with my name. Okay, now I'm double clicking here. So now you can see this Anshu library has nothing inside it. It is already empty because we have created it just. So now to add some files or folders into this library, we have to just click here include a folder. This include a folder will come when we double click at this new library icon. Okay, now you can see include folder in Anshu will a dialog box will appear here. And now if you want to add some files into it, for example I want to add music, so I'm double clicking here at music and now include folder. Okay, so now all the music, all the songs of my laptop in the music for which are stored in this music folder are now copied here. So now this Anshu folder, you can see here the path libraries contained a new library Anshu, and this Anshu has a lot of songs there, and whenever we want to play any song we can just double click here and the song get displayed. The song started playing. So this is the way how we can create a new library and rename it, and how we explore the libraries of our computer. Fine. Okay, do practice of the same. Thank you.